Hi everyone, welcome back to Rihanna's Kitchen Corner. Today I'm going to share a Mexican recipe which is some mini sheet pan chicken tostadas. Crispy baked street taco tortillas are loaded with beans, chicken, cheese and your favorite toppings. You can bake a sheet pan full of these mini chicken tostadas in about 30 minutes for an easy dinner or fun party snack. For this recipe, we need 2 cups of shredded chicken breast. Here I'm just seasoned the chicken breast with a little salt and pepper, and then I'm going to cook it in the instant pot for like 7 minutes. Once it's cool, you can shred it and keep it aside. Shredded chicken is ready, and we need 12 corn tortillas, 1 can of refried beans, and I'm using Mexican style cheese. These ready-made tostadas are available in the market. You can use that also. Line a large baking sheet with parchment paper for easy cleanup. You can preheat the oven to 450 Fahrenheit. You can brush both sides of the tortillas with oil and you can place it on the prepared sheet, and they'll be very close together, but it will shrink slightly after first bake. You can bake it for like 7 to 8 minutes or until firmed up, but not overly browned or crisp. Bake it for like 7 to 8 minutes. Halfway, make sure to flip the side and bake it. Remove the baking sheet and let the tortillas rest for about 5 minutes or until cool enough to handle. Now you can spread each one with refried beans and top with some shredded chicken and cheese. Return them back to the oven and bake it for an additional 5 minutes or until the beans and the chicken are heated through and the cheese is melted. Once it's ready, you can remove and you can top it with a small teaspoon of sour cream, a little diced onion, 2 pieces of cherry tomatoes and little cilantro, and you can serve it with the hot sauce of your choice. Thanks for watching everyone. Hope you like this video. I will see you soon back with another yummy delicious recipe. Bye.